Yan na naman. Ikaw na naman.
This is so half-assed. Well, here we are vlogging the thing I despise the most. Well, not really despise, but more of I don't really want to do. Basically, we're going fishing tomorrow. We're going on a fishing tournament. I leave in 3 hours and I still haven't packed up. Damn, it's messy as hell. Whose room is this anyway? I don't even think I need like this part of the knife since I don't really wear it, so I'm probably gonna remove it. Yeah, I should do that. Where's my thing? Screwdriver. Driver? I barely know. I'm still really adjusting to the whole vlogging thing since, to be honest, I don't really have much to say in the first place. And we've done it. Remove that heavy, bulky thing. Look at this sticker. Ta-da! Check that sticker out. You know what's funny is that I have like so much of these stuff, yet I fail to catch fish. So check this out. Ate gave me this sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. And I'm thinking of putting it like here since the other side is like already filled up with stuff, so I should yeah, let's just do that. I need to clean this first. Should be clean enough. Maybe like this so it's like jumping out of the water. You know what, whatever, I'll just stick it in. Boom. And just like that, it's not even centered, but hey, it's a sticker and it's there. So what can I do? Look at that. Framing. Yep. Whoop. There it is. You know what? You can deal with that. Enough. Okay. Knife is there. Sleeping bag is there. First aid kit. Very important. Though I haven't used it much, which is good. It would be better if we don't use first aid kits at all. Hoping nobody gets hooked in the eye tomorrow. This, which is our POV for tomorrow. If we catch fish, please fish. Come on, show up. There. Over there. Okay, there. And then the fishing rod itself. Look how bendy this thing is. Whoop. Yeah, I think that's mostly it. Fishing rod. Yeah, I should just put it here on the side. Check out these patches I have, which doesn't show on camera. I have this. A friend of mine gave me this. It's not in focus. It's food, basically. Yeah, it's food. Yeah, she gave me that. Put it right there, and I have a Germany patch when I went to Germany. Yeah, no shit. Okay, so I'm going to eat. Then, wow, I hate commuting. Then I have around 70 kilometers to go. Damn, okay, yeah, okay, whatever. Let's just get this done with. Should be enough. The moon is right there. It's so noisy actually. You can see lights. No, you can't see lights, but maybe if you see lights over there on the horizon. It's not even focusing. We're just getting ready for the event itself. I'm really not in the mood to be speaking. I'm so done. I'm just so done.
Nag-record ako kahit walang nangyayari. Baka i-update ko na lang rin yung video. B-roll. Look at the time. 10 sakto. And I'm 1 bite in since anong oras pa tayo lumaot? 5. Yun nga ba, akala ko mas late pa. 5:30. How many hours? I've had 1 bite. Yeah, the fishing is so fun.
5 hours, 1 strike.
Paano palit tayo? Pwesto?
Taran.
Ng radyo? Okay. Kanina.
Oh.
Matatry ko yung bili sa'yo Deluxe na reel. Pinufull gas mo to, hindi? Inaalalayan mo? Ha? Wag?
Ito din, oh.
Okay, pwede.
Power mo.
Hindi naman nababali.
Oh my God, pull out ka.
Kaya nga eh. Huwag mong sagarin, gago ka. Gusto ko lang. Tirilin mo yan na maayos. Matatanggal yan pag hindi mo yan na. Hindi ako marunong mag-jig ng kaliwang kamay. Parang ano, parang sanggol na natututo maglakad.
Saan yan, barko? May pangalan natin.
Wow! Waves! Waves!
Oh, nasaan?
Sige, basta malagano, nabali yung lab. Gay, nabali.
Uy!
Ilaw, naputol, gagi. Sana makawala.
Uy! Ay, wala na. Tutulak kita! Nakawala ka. Nakawala? Nung tinanggal niya yung mata ng ano ko. Ng jig ko. Parehas na bata, tinanggal niya. But that damage. No eyes. Cracked a bit here. Gas kung saan. At naputol yung isang treble hook. Yeah, big fish, alright. Whoop! Dire-diretso. Uy!
Kaya mo, tangin na parang tarpon.
Sige. Yan naman. Ikaw na naman. Ikaw na naman ah. Ikaw na naman. Kung sino ka man. Dito ka na. Huwag kang ilalim. Siya sabi ko sa'yo. Up. Oo, uy, puta kita. O, di ba? Nakawala, nakaputa. Nakawala ulit. Hindi, tama na muna. Kakain na ako. Masaya na ako doon. Pwede na ako umuwi. Sasabihan mo kung humuli. May huli ka na ba, Naifo? O, di.
Pag binanahan lang ako
Sandwich.
Bolo Shanghai.
Ay, ito, nakuha ko yung Supreme. Kamukha ko lang sa video yung kinakain ko. Kasi hindi nyo kaya kainin to. Kami lang gumawa. Lalo na yung naiingit kagabi. Habang ginagawa natin to, kami lang kumakain. Hindi ko alam kung binili ba to o kinuha niya bigla sa rep kanina. Nalili ba to? Nakita ko nagbukas ka ng rep sabay bunot eh.
Seryoso? Pag binili yan.
Ayan o. Ayan. Kala ko nagbablog ako para ano, magpasaya. Hindi, nagbablog ako para manginggit.
Ohoy!
Nalibag eh. Ay, pwede ko at.
Look at this guy.
At least na-experience mo na yung ano, mama.
Ako na mag-video para sa'yo. What is that?
Putang ina, ang liit.
Tiki!
Para man akong aquarium na alat.
Lagyan mo asin. Oh. There he goes. Tibay ng braided leg mo, ayaw pa putol lang. Ano yan? Pag nakita mo na? Ito na. Kulay green. Oo, bato nga! Tinakay mo yung bahay. Nakahanap ka ng kakainin mo dyan. Nice. Sige, buklatin mo.
Patigasan daw.
Uy! Yum!
Alok yan.
Ano ka na
Yung shell. Yan, meron na. Oo. Oo. Diba? Uy, ay! Tatakas! Uy! Ingatan mo dala. Uy! Correct na dito. It's an octopus. Yes. Ilaw guy. O sige, okay na yan. Lumagyan video. Time check. 23. Siyempre nang huli. Si Naifo meron. Gamit yung kinuha niya ang power ng Akatsuki. We just pushed that boat from the beach to there, and it was a lot harder than I expected.
Okay. Hey, it's the next morning. It still hurts. Everything hurts. We had to push that boat and yeah, everything just hurts. Guess who didn't get any fish? Ha ha ha. But we did win in the raffle. I won this here. It's a fishing rod. Even though I don't really need the fishing rod, but I have it. I'm going to check out the rod at least. I mean, I saw it a bit. I'm gonna be real. It's not a good rod. It's definitely not for fishing at sea. Though I might use it as a bait and weight rod. The only problem I have with it is that it's a 2-piece rod, which means it's so long. Like, look at this, it's super long. Other than that, it's not so bad. I'm gonna move the camera so you can see better. Okay, so check it out. I know it's still messy, probably even more messy than the start of the video, but here it is. Whoop, there it is. It's not focusing. It's, I'm not, 2.4 meters, which is probably around 7 to 8 feet. This is the front part, and this is the, come on, okay. This is the front part. Wait, what? Okay, this is the back part. This one here, and then this is the front part, okay? It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna try and join it up. Align it as much as I can. Yep, that works. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. We can probably look at it this way so you can see. Actually, something kind of funny I noticed is that it bends to the right. I think you can see if I... A moment. Look at this. I'm gonna just focus. You will see that it bends to the right. You see that? Can you see that? Look at it. But the action on it, I have no idea the action on it. I'm gonna try bending it. Hopefully I don't break it. It's... Oh, it's not bad. It's definitely for bait and weight. It's like I'm gonna use it as a disposable rod. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try bending this. Oh, that's definitely a fast action rod. It only bends up to until I think here, around this area here. Yep, that's definitely stiff as fuck. But hey, it means it's more sensitive and it can hook better, like, you know, like yeah, sound effects. I'm definitely coping. it swings so much. Can you see it? I mean, I kinda like it. It's longer than most rods I use, so I can definitely cast far. I'm really coping, aren't I? I might try this. Okay, maybe in a few weeks we might go fish again. Just pond fishing. I'm so tired of the sea. I mean, I did get some bites, so that's cool, but I didn't catch fish, which is what I wanted. Okay, I can't end the video like this. That's just like so sad. Oh, I have an idea.
Wala. Pwede.
Isa pa. Wala naglag ka. Putang ina.
Yun.
Pero 20 pounds to. Pa!
Oh my god.
Ver!
Bakit?
Fucking
Ginawa
shot
ka
him in
bigla
the head.
sisigaw.
Naputol eh.